Okay, ground floor. Housewares, Ninja tire. Second floor. Children's. Cookware. Third floor. Ladies lingerie. Pop the hood before
It's already popped.
you gotta undo the thing.
Gotta undo the chingaderas.
You know, the thing.
It's perfect. Look at that. The microfiber just fell perfectly. That is hysterical.
Right. Go on the top floor. Intimate apparel. You must be 18 over to go to the top floor. Damn, Sadie, you high as a kite.
Woo-woo. Baby girl, let's look at your underside. What's going on under
I
there?
gotta get a picture where the lift is.
What's going on? Hi, honey bunny.
Back on Sadie. Wick and I and Alli have drained the radiator and proceeded to make a mess. Nothing new. Wick's fighting the hose that's probably the same age as me off. And the coolant was sweet. I tasted it, so that tells you how old it is. We gotta like get my mom warmed up though, because she's always she's so like subdued around new people. And then after about an hour she starts talking the same way I do. And it's fucking comedy.
So the battery needs to be removed and the air cleaner.
Yeah. Come on, you fuck. What goddamn size are you?
Brand new fucking hose in here. Loaded yourself on there already?
That's quality. I'm gonna get a socket because this is gonna piss me off. I don't even have an outburst.
Well, you're not really in class, so you don't have to do it like...
Well, no, I know, but I'm just trying to make this piece of fucking mess. But the reason we do that in class is because at home people don't have impacts.
Correct.
You know,
They should.
come on now.
They're not working on their car.
I'm pretty sure most of these people that have cars that we know.
Whoa.
Whoa, Alli, don't fall.
It's slippery as
Yeah,
shit.
you just mopped. You should know the floors.
But it's the coolant that's really slippery.
Well, because it's a petroleum-based liquid.
All right, so look at that.
Bracket. Battery. Man, you got a thing for Odysseys.
How's that look?
Yeah. That's brand new. I just put it in.
Oh, I didn't know that you'd... Oh, wow, all right. Whatever, smart guy.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I like the Odysseys.
They're good. They're good on Optimus.
And they're heavy.
You got a 14 over there?
I just had on the
Or a
rack.
13?
You want a ridge or a rache?
Rache.
I got 14 on the rache.
Yeah, I think that might be it. No, it's not a 14.
I can get you a 13.
It is a 14. I should never doubt myself.
On what? The radiator?
Huh?
The radiator?
Oh, the thing. Yeah, just get this air cleaner there because the bottom bolt on this side. I could do it probably without this, but
And we need a 10 for that. Because I have no upper body strength.
oh wow, this doesn't even have a nut on the back of it.
Wait, oh shit. Oh, this was loose.
Shocker.
Finger tight.
Can I borrow your Rache?
Remember, finger tight isn't good in cars.
Oh, what the fuck happened to my 14?
Well, well, let me undo this other 10 real quick and then you can take it. Sorry. Here. You hold your socket and you wait. We gotta get this hose off too. You got a flathead?
No, charger.
Here you go. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need that 10.
I will once I get this out. Yep.
Oh, here we go. That side's undone.
Electric brass would be kind of handy.
I use mine all the time.
I guess we should pull the thermostat housing and see if there's actually a thermostat in there.
This screwdriver's so fucking big.
Too big. I don't know, what are you doing there? You're not.
That's been on there since I've been alive.
Contents are settling during shipment.
So we still have to pull the bonnet off of this,
You
right?
got poop? Wait.
No, I keep hearing shit creak and crack and.
You said contents are settling during shipment. I was immediately thinking, Wick's gonna shit.
Hello?
Huh?
So we have to pull the bonnet off of this to pull the radiator,
No,
correct?
clean up the
Falls off the bottom.
Oh, you're gonna go out the bottom.
Yeah.
Ah.
To avoid that, the bonnet removal process.
Roger.
That's how I did Noonan's. Because his ignition bullshit is like under here.
Yeah, you have an extension hand up here.
Nope. Show don't. I ain't got shit. Ow, fucker. God.
Yeah, it was a bad design.
Well, you know.
I don't know what the germs were thinking then.
They pay
About
their
what?
technicians to actually get cracked.
The design of the bonnet and where they put the latch. It's just not ideal.
At their bonnet, they're made. This is the US of A. We call that hood.
You know what the germs are thinking here?
Uh-oh.
I wonder if it's fucking spinning down the line.
I'll go under there and look.
You'd think it'd be captured. I think it's captured, never mind.
I can't get there. Ow!
Or it's not my finger tight, let's put it that way.
So, hi Chuck.
Hi, Chuck.
Hey, Chuck.
We're underneath the Mercedes.
Guess what? It's fine.
It's fine.
Have a good Memorial Day weekend. You guys have nothing else to say?
Have a good Memorial Day weekend. I didn't know you were still shooting. All right, well, you know what?
I'll see him at the shop.
Fan has been removed.
No, isn't really very tight.
That worked great. Look at that. Hey, look.
There you go. That's another way to take the belt off.
Wow.
How was that tension? It's fine.
That's not really the book method.
It's not really fun.
Everything's a hot water pump. Not being nice.
There we go. There's some movement. Oh yeah.
All right. Let me see that thing on the other side.
Look as bad as you'd expect, really. Great.
It's all right. It's okay.
So you have to take that other banjo.
Out and then pop that housing off.
What do you think that banjo is for? That,
Coolant vent. It probably goes back into the head.
yeah, that's what it looks like. So one looks like a oh, here, these are water pump bolts.
What is all this boom from? What is this?
Boogers.
No, but this like really hard. What is that?
Because they put.
No, look, the metal is breaking apart.
No way.
Oh my god.
It's probably original. Or it's the second one.
All right, so that's a 13, and that's a.
Is this a gasket that's like?
That's the remnants of the
That's the remnants
gasket.
of it. The rest of it's up here.
Hello.
There you go.
Hello.
Souvenir.
Nom nom nom.
Eat it. $20. Yeah, we gotta do that. Then we can pop that other hose that goes to the. That's where the thermostat is, and that chicken is.
Yeah, it's up there.
Well, it's iron. It retains heat for a long time. I saw it move. Whack it hard.
Easier said than done.
Treat that shit like it owes you money. Where's your flathead? Just stick the flathead behind it. And...
This pulley's fucked up anyway. Look at it. Got a flat spot in it right there, isn't it? Or is that just an optical illusion?
Optical. We'll put it on the table. Where's your thing? Screwdrivers are pry bars. The hell with what the Snap-on guy said. In which that was fucking terrifying. That's not good.
I was like, is that an oh well bad or an oh well good?
Not good.
Another thing. Just another thing we have to fix.
Oh yeah, that's good. I like this. It's not bolted on. Oops.
Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh, right.
You know what? It's held on with the same bolts.
Yeah, but... And it has that to align it. But that's been dancing for a while. That's yucky.
What is that? Oh, that's a tip.
And then there's those bolts, and we use that to pull it.
We'd have never gotten that off.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a hex?
I have no idea. It's got enough shit on it. Who knows? Probably.
Another hose attached up there.
Fun. That's definitely not the right clamp, dude.
You think?
This is the dirtiest you've gotten in like months.
I know.
Great. We're getting fucking
kind of like
filthy.
the old days.
It's like the old days. We're ripping shit apart.
You think this hose was due to be replaced?
I think so. Because you just looked at it funny and it fell off.
Yeah. What do you need there? I guess a 17 probably
For that.
Yeah.
17, 14.
I think that's the only two, right?
There's one here. There's that there.
You gotta get the wires off the back of it and mark them.
Yeah. Well, the battery's unhooked, so we'll pull it down and get them.
Yeah.
You just literally touched that and it went bleep.
Yeah.
Do it again.
Nice.
Unbelievable.
No, it's not. This is normal. Man, that's going to need to marinate in the ultrasonic for a while.
It's a good thing that we have operating room floors here, huh?
Yeah.
It says Chuck.
Really
Doctor?
To have a trash can over here.
Doctor?
There's one right there.
Yeah. But it's not right here. I'm here.
You got that nice thing to clean the floor back there, though.
Yeah.
Getting it ripped apart.
What kind of pull are we gonna need?
A balancer puller with Simba.
That's how it's done, class. One more time, Bobby. One more time.
Simba.
That's where it came from. Move your hand, please. Thank you. Hello. There, you are so good.
All right, starter. Thank you. Got a lot of part. Holy hell.